Quiz 2.06, Example 3. So we got to fill in the missing reasons in this flowchart proof. All right. So first one we're missing is angle AED equals 90 degrees. Well, how do we know that? Well, it says the angle AED is a right angle. That's given. So that we know that's 90 degrees because of the definition of a right triangle. Okay, the next one, angle AED and angle AEC are linear and supplementary. Well, linear pairs are supplementary. That's from the linear pair postulate. Okay. Angle AED plus the measure of angle AED plus the measure of angle AEC is equal to 180. That is definition of supplementary, because that's what that means, to be supplementary. And then 90 plus angle AEC equals 180 degrees. We had angle AED here, and we had angle AED here. It says that it's equal to 90, so we can replace that with 90 degrees, and that is the property of substitution. Substitution property of equality. Substitution property of equality.